My people, I just want to use this media to say a very big well done to Edo State for this governorship election, because they just do it free and fair, no life lost, you know. Despite this, they are no agbero. Though people want to try, you know, scatter everything, but everything was taken care of. I just want to say congratulations to the new elected governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki. It's not easy. But my message go to this man, your opponent, Pastor Ize Iyamu. Whether not rice, Ize Iyamu. Yeah. So I really want to say, it's not easy. This life, you know, this life no balance. I don't say this thing I want to do now. Yeah, people not go like her. Some people not go like her. Even because of this thing where I want to still talk today now, some people they don't even unfriend me. If I say unfriend, don't be for Facebook. Oh. Some don't unfriend me. Some don't be say they don't promise me even because of this they don't unfriend me. But I don't care. Provided I they talk the truth where I see. And I feel not showing a video because not be every time what they bring, you know, pastors video they put. No people say some people don't even they address me as an antichrist. So I don't care. Provided I they talk waiting I see. Now my message go to Ize Iyamu. My brother, you feel they watch me, you feel they see you for here. My message goes to you. This life no balance. You understand? You see, you're a man of God. Pastor for that matter. You know why? I not there any party. I not there any party. I not say politics na game. That's why I never use my platform to come say, vote for PDP, vote for ADP, vote for APC, vote for no. Anyone will win. I pray may God give the person strength to lead well. Now, what thing I want to talk be this. A pastor, you contest for election. At the end, if you see your vote is not even near your opponent vote. If all the pastors in Edo State gather together because you'll be pastor, work hand to hand with you because you'll be pastor, you not get how you for not win this election. Now, truth what they talk, if they like, make all pastors for Edo State do meeting. They do my truth why they talk. May they do meeting against me. I'm saying the truth. You know why they thought this thing? Because I the way since I want to see make this election, make they conduct the election, make they call the winner. That is why I not do this news the day where we say they call the result. The day where they appoint the winner. I not do this news. I want me to see what did they happen. They wait. You know why? I don't see where many pastors lead their members to work against you. Your co-pastors. And after the election, I see where some pastors they celebrate for their house with some of their members, some of their pastors' friends. And one pastor make one comment, which I despise that comment. Even if waiting that they talk here wrong, because of this comment where this man even made self, God support everything what they talk now. This pastor talk say, anybody where he dey against, no pastor go fit pray for that person and God go answer. What kind of obnoxious language is that? Pastor making that kind of comment. No be how they bring people picture or bring the person know himself, which is very wrong. Which is very wrong. You know why they told this thing? Because it get one point where I make where people they work against me. And they talk the very day where pastors go try work together, now Nigeria go better. That's why I say pastors, they are one of the problem of Nigeria. I know why they talk. If the men of God go join hands together, work together as Christ sent them, they are not divided. Nigeria, it will be the best country so far. Nigeria is one of the richest countries in the world. Now there you go see say the rich pastor intimidate the poor pastors. The poor pastors call the rich pastors ritualists. And pastors, so pastors. Now then you go see pastors, they celebrate their pastors, I mean their co-pastors' downfall. Pastors, they celebrate their co-pastors' failures. You see why they talk? Because of evil. I don't even know. I know one insult because you are just like my father. But I be one ask. Who calls you? Even your own local government, they still work against you. Your own co-pastors work against you. I was so shocked when I see some pastors carry Obaseki people come their church. The most bad thing, the most sin where a pastors don't commit. Now to bring people come force their members to vote for one party. What we call a free and fair election. What make a free and fair? Huh? This election is not free and fair. Like me now, nobody can force me to vote for the person we like. I belong to one group where the leader of the group be PDP, but I'm not a PDP. But the person never one day come there force people. No. You don't have right. Everybody get their own right to vote for any party where they like. But it paid me most when I see pastors bringing those political animals. Those politicians come church. Come they tell members say all of us go come out, go vote. No vote for anybody, no. And those members, they don't know how much way those political animals, those politicians give them for back, which is very wrong. And that is the beginning of the failure of Christianity in Nigeria. This is why Nigeria is never better. Because if you look at the root, the foundation, Christianity, Bible says when the foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? These politicians, they see what pastors they do because they have bought those pastors with their evil money. I don't know any politician they evil. No. But what I talk now, be say the message not just for Israel. You see how life treat you. The only person who I just say evil to understand that this person don't know say they win you. You see they stand and I just read down. I see people. You see they stand. They talk say this. You see they talk. They stand. Now be Dionosaje. And Dionosaje not be my fan. I be not be my fan. I not be a fan. Not only Dionosaje still stand. Even till they announce the winner, he still stand. Say no, they give up. The rest. Some even as they call the first unit. Some already they give up. But what they pay me most now the pastors, the Christians. I know say yes, is a yamu na pastor. I don't know whether na bad pastor or na wrong pastor. I don't know. But waiting at the top is this. I wish the Christians. I say okay, may we still try. May we still try for these 4 years. Whether if Christian enter, if a man of God enter there, if man of God enter that seat, whether we go better. If all the Christians, just imagine only winners alone. Christ Embassy, Redeem, Omega, Omega Fire Ministry, Omega Power Ministry. What will be the name again? No, Deeper Life, Mountain of Fire. Just imagine those kind of churches. They can't gather together. See, Pastor Isaiah Amugo win. Only Redeem alone come out for Edo State. Pastor Isaiah go win. But where are they? All of them enter house. They leave you for backyard. No wonder see why Okotie, Chris Okotie don't, he don't contest for many years. Since when they never even bomb himself. He never still win. Now we Christians, now we the Christians, if any pastor enter seat, he go corrupt. Well, the pastor is not supposed to. Who want rule? Who go rule? Now devil go rule. A pastor not feel na devil go rule. If me na still gonna say Agbonso, a minister, you're not supposed to. Who go rule? Now God must devil rule. So that is why you say Nigeria still dey where it dey today. Still dey where it dey. It's still dey where it dey. Now what if first affected Goodluck Jonathan? Goodluck Jonathan na too did this one. You know this one. May they give out to Aboki. Now everybody they shout say Aboki this, Aboki this, Aboki this one. So why am I saying this? Life is not balance. It paid me most why pastors they do like this. Pastors they don't love themselves. When I hear that comment, I don't feel put a video for security reason. When I hear that comment, I was ashamed of myself as a Christian. When a pastor go open his mouth and the whole world hear him. Say because he dey against Ize-Iyamu, no pastor go fit pray for her. Who are you? My question I want to ask. Who are you? Who are you to make such comment? He say if he, just imagine now they shout to this son, how will this son insult my father? So that means if because you dey against that person, your father no fit pray for her. I bet I not to get what I want to talk. Obaseki, congratulations. He said, "Yamu, no worry. And not the other year you contest. See this time, that time, you know, say you be once enter Muslim Afa cost so if Nafa you want just because you become my family, you know say Nafa you be. And that's the not because of politics they switch religion and just follow one. Maybe not from there God will still feel help you. I'm not too guilty. I want to be subscribe to Agbons TV. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Agbons TV. Thank you very much. We'll go to the next.